Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, October 31st. This is David and I am looking at Tesla, which had a rough day today. Not only was it pretty big down day, but you can see that that it cracked through this 204 and 26 cent Voodoo fire line. Now, these fire lines are the most important of the Voodoo line levels. There was one right here by the January low, right there. And then we have the tree lines, one right up just above the all-time high. You can see that the high made earlier this year was at a tree line. So those are pretty precise, right? In this name particularly, especially when we combine them with fib levels, while the tree line was a little bit closer to the high than the 61.8 retrace of the move down from the all-time high. It was close. And so now the question is, what from here, and can this be saved? Well, look, we're not that far below the 204.26 fire line. If it can regain it and find support above, that will help. And then if we are going to turn up from nearby and get it, then this may be a case where the fibs are a little more precise than the Voodoo lines. Because if we look at the move down from this summer's high, we can see a leg down and another leg down exactly equal pretty much at today's low. And that would be a place to view this market as maybe being saved if it was going to be. I probably, because of how weak this has been, want to see a little bit more than getting above the fire line. The roadmap would be more bullish if we can get it then above this 227 tree line as well. For now, though, so long as it holds below that fire line, I'm going to look at this kind of sideways and need Tesla to prove itself in order to be bullish. Now, the 61.8 retrace of the move up from the start of the year is down here at 177. Getting through that, I think, would further encourage bearishness, especially if it then continued back below the tree line just below it. So there are some decisions to be made here. I'm going to wait on the sidelines in this name right here, but I think we've got a pretty good picture of what to look for, and I'm going to wait and see what it does before I do much in this name. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at the next update.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.